All right, I heard there's a bird sanctuary in here. It's called Raptor. What? Raptor Road? Let me see.
Through that door. Actually, Cody.
Pretend like you're old. Okay. Smile.
I'm not in the way, right?
I'm just playing, baby.
Get a little bit closer to the bird. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Got it.
I want to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, she wants to hold it. You want to hold it, Roy?
Okay.
You can do
Ready?
it.
You
I'm gonna
strong?
send you this video.
Girls can do it.
Got your fingers in there? In those? Okay.
Okay.
Make a fist, Roy.
Make a fist. Yeah, like that.
Squeeze it tight.
You gotta keep it like this. All right. Just don't move. I'll help. I'll help. She's coming.
Really? Yeah. Woo! All right. Good girl. Good girl. Look at you. You're so cool.
All right.
I think the Falcon likes it. You don't want to do it? She just did it. You don't want to do it?
You want to glove that?
I'm not here.
All right. We'll make a fist.
No.
I'll give you $5.
Okay. Okay.
Hi, baby.
So these are the fastest animals in the world.
Back up.
We're recording it.
Yeah, he's my shirt by now.
Yo, what?
He's touching his knee. He's touching my tip right now.
Anyone ever tell y'all look alike?
Ooh.
Me and Larry. Come on, Daddy, where you going? So is this just some kind of Flintstones park?
Yeah.
I guess this place kind of is for kids, but it's pretty cool. I'm not gonna hold the Falcon, but
Those are bones right there. Bones.
yeah, those are classic Flintstone bones. Those are femur bones. Femur. If I was a little kid, this would be pretty fun.
Yeah.
Who's the person that decided to do this thing?
That would be Frank.
The name is it the lady or is it
Frank.
Huh?
Frank, I think. Do you let him go? Is he coming back?
I hope so. Have you handled the bird yet?
I handle a bird, not this one.
Not this one. Okay. Is there somebody who hasn't handled the bird yet? You're not gonna. You want to?
What bird did you handle, Larry?
I handled that one
Let
already.
it go.
Huh?
I'll just have you let it go.
I let it go.
You let it go? All
Yeah.
right.
If you don't want to do it.
I'll take the glove back through when I'm done. Ready? All you gotta do is put your hand in. I'll help you slip it on, even though your hand is bigger than mine. Got it? Okay.
You was born to handle that bird.
Once the bird's in the air, I want you guys to stand by bones and leave the space in between, because maybe I can get the bird to fly between you, and that's fun. But you don't want to run in between bones. Yeah, stand by the bones, and I'll have you on the inside of this area. And once it looks like he's going to fly, I'll yes, already hot. It's an Arctic Jeer Falcon. So we couldn't have flown him until this weather got here. You guys showed up with this lousy weather, which I love, because it's way more comfortable. His name is Gabriel, and he loves to fly. I try to fly him every day. He hunts for me in the wintertime. That's what I enjoy doing the best. He catches pheasants and ducks, and I chase a lot
pretty
of
cool.
fast prairie chickens, and he's been able to knock a few down, but hasn't caught one yet. But I'm going to lure fly it. It's going to go up in the air, and if it does what I want it to, it'll start to fly right away. Otherwise, it's going to stretch its wings and have fun flying all around the place.
Took off. You're like, I'm tired, y'all. Go fast too.
Everybody stand by a bone.
All right, come over, son. Space between the bones, empty. Stand in front of the bone. You're in the gap. You gotta move over. This way, whatever. You don't want the bird to fly into you. Oh, okay. Yeah, stay out the gap.
Might see a big target on your chest. Where's he at? Oh, I see him.
Bend over to the side.
Track this damn thing.
You ready, TT? Yeah. You ready, Evan? Yeah. Name 5 fast food restaurants.
McDonald's, Wendy's, Burger King, White Castle, Taco Bell, Chipotle.
You got it. You did 6.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was 6 in 5 seconds.
That was funny. That was good, Ebenezer. Go ahead. Hey, you ready?
My turn.
It's on Steven.
Oh, it's on me again?
Yeah.
Who am
I mean, no, Ebony's asking Steven.
Oh, okay.
Name 5 components to a car that's found underneath the hood.
Gas tank, wheels, tires,
Yes.
rims.
Stop.
Not under the hood?
Underneath the hood.
Oh, I thought she said not. I thought she said not under the hood.
No,
And sometimes
it's under the trunk. It's in the trunk.
I thought under the hood would be too easy. So I'm like, oh, she's. Man, I'm rushing because of the time.
I told you focus on that time.
Like I didn't even want to wait for the question to finish. I was like,
She's like, go.
oh my
God.
That's got to be right. Okay, who am I asking? Dice?
Yeah, you asking like my ears. Just like you get this thing.
Nice. Name 5 X-Men.
5 what?
Okay, never mind. Is that bad one? No, she can't do that. Name 5 superheroes. Can we do that?
Yeah.
That's it.
Captain Marvel. Wait,
Wait.
Wait.
Nope. Now she gotta do it again because she got time to think about it.
Another question.
I don't. You got Wolverine.
Name.
I'm gonna take the
I
top.
got one.
Can't relate.
Can't relate. Name 5 supervillains.
Supervillain. Green Goblin.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
You picked the Green Goblin of all characters. Like the Joker? Come on. Where's the Joker at?
Hey, that stuff is hard.
Thanos.
Yep.
Oh, Nanos. That's one, right?
My turn.
Yeah. Oh my God. Guys, I can't hear.
Alright, name the 7 continents.
Woo!
Name what?
5 seconds.
Yeah, you did.
Hey!
All right. Man, I'm sitting there with my question.
I feel like
That's your what? Oh, there you go.
But I can't really talk. I've already called the man the wrong name today, so.
you gotta give him a win.
Okay, we get to you.
Name 5. Name.
Like, otherwise, give him something easy.
Listen, I'm considered an elder.
Trying to make you.
Oh,
I got it. Yeah.
Name 5 car brands.
Who?
Car.
Got brands? Oh, Porsche, Lexus, Shit, that wasn't even no 5 seconds. That wasn't even no. That was like 2 seconds. No, bro, you know what? You started before I got started. I was understanding the question.
I got another one for you. I got
Okay.
Stop saying
No, 5 seconds. Come on.
Hey, 5 streaming platforms.
Netflix. Hulu. Come on, baby.
All right, we're on the last leg of our journey. Around 7:30, which I think is about the same time your dinner's ready. So
We'll be at home at 7:30. It is 7:06.
Hallelujah. That was funny.
All right. You ready? 5 internal organs.
Arizona organs.
Organs, lungs, heart, the liver,
That's it.
You must know what they are. That's what always happens. You get 3.
Name 5 television shows from the 90s.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Martin, Jennifer's I don't know. Why would I not get that?
Friends, right? You watch it like
That's
all
on
the time.
90s? It is the 90s. Ew, but I could say like
That one you would have like that.
Beautiful, loving family. And it just, God bless.
Thank you.
And give it up for Ernie. He's done an amazing job on the road today. Yeah. And I think I could smell supper.
Yeah.
We're within striking range.
Amen.
I'm going back to figure out about Black history in Arizona. So watch for an email near you soon.
That's awesome. That's awesome. 70 plus black people. It's only 70 people.
Right.
They forgot to mention, by the way, they're black. They get a surprise for them. Right. We're gonna get a laugh at this one.